Auntie Akos, you have cooked rice and stew, sir. Aren't you tired? Today I'm going to show you a new way of preparing your rice. Saloon farm was South Africa. Adichia ya botra bwa ni echi more ni ensa ho nyina echi moja. Nso ye ba, nsese ye be bi fufuro edi ma ye nso ya koma ato eyem no. Ye be ya ni se ye be di mpala banku. And then the mama show bibi fufuro wate. Let me show you a new way of preparing your rice. Very delicious and simple to make. So I started by adding sweet corn into my pot, add water into it and allow it to cook until it's tender. Once it is tender, I will take them out to cool down. Next, I'll rinse the pot, add a reasonable amount of water into it, cooking oil and salt to taste. Whilst the water is boiling, next I'll go in with my washed rice, stir and stir and stir, cover and allow it to cook very well. Now that the rice is cooking, I went ahead to add minced beef into a bowl. I also added diced onions, chopped garlic, ginger powder, rosemary powder, paprika, chili flakes, salt, and 1 egg. After adding all the ingredients, I'll mix everything together to be uniformed. Now I believe you like this video so far. If you do like this video, please do well to subscribe. Subscription is free on YouTube. Subscribe, like and share, and also leave your comment in the comment section. Also follow me on all social media handles. So after I'm done mixing, I'll now mold them into small balls. After I'm done molding them, next I'll add cooking oil into a pan and start adding the meatballs into it. Here what I'm going to do is to fry them. And if you are still with me up to this moment, thank you so much for being patient with me and staying with me to learn something new. So whilst I add them into the oil, I start to turn them. Here what I'll do is to fry them, and I'm going to cover it for about 5 minutes to allow it to absorb the juice in it and cook very well. After 5 minutes of cooking it, I'll keep on stirring and stir until all the water evaporates out of it, just like this. So whilst the water evaporates, next I'm going to take them out and set aside. After taking out the meat, next I strained the oil and set aside. Here, ensure not to throw anything away from here, okay? You can use them for another cooking that you are doing in the house. After that, I rinsed the pan and add in some coconut oil and went in with green beans and carrot. Here I'm using other vegetables, but my green beans and carrot are the hardest ones, so I'm going to fry those ones for about 3 minutes on a medium heat.
Continental food mistress, international food madam.
After 3 minutes, I added red, yellow, and green bell pepper, aka robot, and red onion. Stir and season it with my homemade vegetable seasoning, paprika, chili flakes, and some salt to taste. Here you can also use any store-bought vegetable seasoning for this recipe, or a seasoning of your choice. I'm going to stir everything together for additional 1 minute for it to season with the ingredient very, very well. After that, I added my white rice and stir everything together. Here we want to make sure that each white grain is being coated and absorbed by the ingredients very, very well and taste very, very delicious. Trust me, this recipe, if you make it, you won't regret it at all. Your family will always request for it because it's very, very tasty and healthy. This is a vegetable rice, so I'll keep on stirring until it is very nice. And next I go in with the meatballs and stir everything together once again. Then our rice is ready to be served and enjoy with the entire family. Thank you all so much for staying with me until now, and I believe you enjoyed this recipe. If you did enjoy it, why don't you subscribe on YouTube channel for free, share, like, and leave your comment in the comment section. Also follow me on all social media handles. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. This is Mafeli. Thank you for subscribing, and always remember, at Mafeli we believe in the old adage, your health is your wealth, so be mindful of what you eat. And until I see you in my next video, stay safe, fit and healthy. Nyamre bua yeke yebiako. Bye.